about yourself and don't worry about nobody. Drinking water, eating fruit, taking care of my body.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Arielle, and today I am doing how I lay my baby hair video. So these are the two products that I usually use, and of course my dirty toothbrush. The dirtier, the better. I have a widow's peak and my hairline is kind of weird, so my hair comes to a point. That's why I like to do my baby hair. So I start off with my sides and just brush down the hairs that I want to lay, which I kind of already know because I've been doing my baby hair for a long time, like a really long time. So here I am getting a little bit of this Silk Elements edge control, and I use a very little bit, and I warm it up between my fingers because it helps it to get a little bit more liquidy, so I don't have to use a lot, because when you use a lot it gets really greasy and nasty and it has a smell I don't really like, but I kind of deal with it because I like what it does for my edges. So I just start swooping them into place. I use my toothbrush pretty firmly. On this side of my head I pulled well, I actually cut out some of my hair when I was taking out a wig, so that's why it's a little bit bald, and then I just start moving it into place, and then I make sure to check to see if I like how it's looking, and if I don't, I just go over it again. And like I said, I don't use a lot of the edge control because it does tend to get really greasy and nasty, and it makes my hair super stiff. And I'm just making sure I'm in frame. I do my little sideburn part. Right now in this video my hair was freshly relaxed, so it's a little thinner looking than what it would usually be, but that's fine. This was requested of me to do, so I'm doing it. I'm repeating the same thing on the other side. I always let my baby hair, always, and after my hair, like I'll say maybe like a month after my relaxer, I start to use my Eco Styler gel. These are the only two products I use. Before I started using this edge control, I was using the Silk Elements straight edges, which I loved, but they discontinued it, so I started to use that Silk Elements strengthened silk because I think it's pretty similar. Now I'm moving on to the middle. I actually have a widow's peak and I cut it off, and usually I only cut off a little, but this time, well, when I did my relaxer I cut off a little too much, so my swoops in the front are a little different than how I would usually do them, but hopefully you can still understand what I'm doing. I'm just pulling out the hair that really wouldn't make it into my ponytail anyway, and I'm just swooping them to the way I like. And I started to do this because it really helped me to conceal my widow's peak. In high school I used to be really like self-conscious of my widow's peak, and in elementary school everybody used to call me egghead, so I always was like kind of like insecure about my head shape and my widow's peak. So when I started to do this, I just got like really confident, and now I just love baby hair and I just can't live without them. By the way, I am relaxed. I know I just said that. If you don't like relaxed hair, I mean, you know, it's okay. You could just leave the video, it's okay. But yeah, I do the same exact thing while my hair is not relaxed, and my baby hair always look really good. So tie my hair down, take it off, do my wig grip because I love my wig grip, then I put my scarf on again, and this is what I usually do on a day-to-day basis. Tie my scarf down, and that's it. If you want a relaxed hair video from me, like what I do to my relaxed hair, let me know in the comment section down below. And that's pretty much it, y'all. That's how I do it. I like this edge control because, as you can see, my hair still moves. It's not hard, it's not flaky, and it's just beautiful edges. Hope you guys liked this video. Hope it was helpful. You guys have been asking me for a baby hair video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.